Namaskar. Welcome to my channel, Motivational Trainer Purnima. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. Once again, I am with you to help you with the winning the game and how we are going to win the game. Our life is just like a game. How we play the game defines our results. Suppose if you play the game on the field with the 100% efforts, you will win the game. But in real life, if you play the game with your 100% efforts also, then also you may lose the game. So, we are not here to lose the game. We are here to win. So, how we are going to win? We will only win with our 100% efforts, with our 100% mindsets. If we play any game and we think we are going to win, then we will win. And if we play any game and 1% we think in our corner of our mind, that we may not win, then definitely we will not win. So we have to only prepare our own mindsets in such a manner that we will not lose the game. Life is just like a flower. We are an incomplete flower and we are in the process of making this flower complete. I will give you an example how to make this thing understand to you that we are in the process of completing the flower. We all are just like flowers. Have you ever seen a small star and a bright shining moon in the sky? We can see both the stars and a bright shining moon at one particular time. But our focus is to see one thing at a time. Now, it's our own desire and choice what we choose. Should we give our energies to the small star, or we should give our energies to the full bright shining moon? So we are not here to be compromised or to be set in certain boundaries. We are here just to shine just like a moon bright in the sky. For that thing, we have to just concentrate our eyes on the full moon as much as possible, so we can also acquire the brightness of the moon inside our heart and mind. I would like to make you compare this small star and a full moon, a full bright shining moon, with another small example. You can think this small star is a negative energy and this full moon is a positive energy. Or on the other end, you can think this small star is fake peoples, is those negative energies which are surrounded around you. And this full moon bright shining full moon is that positive energy, is that positive aura inside you. Those positive surroundings, those positive things which you have always dreamed for yourself. So, again, you are coming to a point of choice. Are you going to remain with this small star, this a segment of negative peoples, or with full moon, positive people mindsets, things which you have created for yourself, things which you always dream for yourself, to which side you are going to choose. So our life will become, as we can create differences between this small star and the bigger, bright, shining full moon. Once we can understand the slight difference between both the stars, the small star and the moon, we can positively make differences in our life and in another people's life. The more we focus on those negative energies, the more time are gone wasted. The more we focus on ourselves, on our positive things, our positive peoples, our positive auras, and making and learning and creating ourselves, then we are positively going towards full moon, and we are becoming a full moon, brighter as brighter day by day. Maybe one day we become sun. We have to be always have to be in such a way so we can visualize as maximum as our potentials given by God and reach to the level of excellence. The more, the bigger, the best we visualize, the more, the best, the bigger we become. Again, I am coming to bring a picture of a peacock. You must have seen different colors of peacocks: red peacock, white peacock, peacock with different feathers, and everybody love the dances of the peacock. Ever you or we have thought, ever you think how this peacock dances and why we like the peacock dance so much? Only because the peacock when dances, it dances with her full potential, with her full mood. She dances with her full energies. She dances with her full focus. And there she is not bothered for the clouds, for the dark weather, anything. She is not bothered because her focus is always up above the sky. If we reverse the situation and see a peacock dancing and looking always towards her hoods, ever we have seen this? Never. Why? God created peacock to see her beautiful colors with beautiful eyes, not for people who are always focused towards the negativity. So today's my topic is winning the game and defeat the fear. So how we are going to win the game? We are going to win the game with the process of always giving our time, our value to only those things which are important to us. We have not to give time to the fake peoples. We have not to give time to the fears. If we segregate letter F from fear, what we get? We get EAR, ear. So you can understand that fear itself means fake ears. So why value on the fake ears? We have to value those people, those things only who value us. When we value ourselves, why we are going to give value to those people who don't ever value us? Only we have to keep this mind. Keep this in mind. And the another thing, if we give time to the fear, this fear will start building stress in our mind. So we have to press these stress so much, so hard, so it cannot make their way, and they will be buried inside only. They will never come to disturb you. So forget fear. Don't give your energies to fake ears. Just enjoy your dreams, your visualizations, your inspirations, your innovations, your strategies, your fundamentals, and your morals. Once you are always correct to your choice, the sky will always be with you, and your words will always be heard by everybody, and once your name will be sung in song everywhere. Thank you. Thank you very much for hearing me and giving your time to me. Do subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon, and please give your honest comments so I can improve. And once again, I will meet you soon. Bye bye.